everybody, Dr. Jody Kinney, Kinney Chiropractic. This is Dr. Michelle. Today I want to show you how I adjust and mobilize the shoulder joint. So we've been talking about shoulder and shoulder problems. When I have patients that come in specifically with issues with the neck and the shoulder, this is the way that we work it out and kind of adjust it. So first thing first, I'm gonna have Michelle give me what's called the little chicken wing. And I always do like rotation of the shoulder forward and back to kind of loosen up and stretch the tendons, the ligaments, the muscles around the joint area. I can already hear a little popping and cracking in your shoulder. And sometimes that happens. And then what I'm gonna have Michelle do is bringing the shoulder or the elbow in front, I'm gonna do a little posterior impulse in her shoulder. So just relax this, Michelle. One more. And I try to go in all the sort of directions to kind of get it more mobilized. And sometimes we actually get a little pop or a crack out of that. And then I always kind of finish off with stretching the muscles into the shoulder. You feel that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now, if you have a tear or something, a labrum tear, rotator cuff tear, muscle tear, sometimes this doesn't feel so good, and that is something that may be more of an orthopedic referral. But most of my shoulder patients get a lot of relief just from mobilizing. Any of my frozen shoulder syndrome patients or people who have overworked swimmer's shoulders or shoulder issues from weightlifting or CrossFit or anything like that, this is a good mobilization and good adjustment that you could do. So hopefully that helps. See you soon.